Good morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos and this is my activity 5 for embedded systems. An ESP32 program of detection of RFID with LED screen display. And here's the code. For the connections, all ground is connected to the ground of the breadboard and the VCC of RFID and OLED are connected to 3 volts. For LED connections, the SCL is connected to the GPIO 18. The SDA is connected to GPIO 5. And for the MFRC 522 connection, the RCT is connected to GPIO 4. The SDA is connected to GPIO 2. The SCK is in the GPIO 15. The MOSI is in the GPIO 23 and MISO is connected to GPIO 19. As you can notice, the upper line of my LED is blurry because I dropped it, but it says ready to scan RFID. And here's the final output. And here's the access card. When I tap it, the UID display in the LED. And the other access card, as you can see, the UID is display in the LED. And that's all.